Three butterflies. Happy friends. Three butterflies lived in a garden. They were friends. One was white, one red, and one yellow. They played together. They danced together. Together they sucked nectar from the flowers. The rain. One afternoon, the butterflies were playing in the garden. It suddenly grew dark. A cold wind blew. It's going to rain. Let's stop playing, said the red butterfly. Suddenly, it started raining. The three butterflies got wet in the rain. They found it difficult to fly. They looked for a shelter. A sunflower was watching them curiously. Seeking shelter. Sunflower, sunflower, it's raining heavily. Shall we stay here till the rain is over? Asked the butterflies. The sunflower said, my favorite fellows, the red and the yellow ones, you can stay with me till it stops raining. But I can't let in here the white one. The yellow and the red butterflies replied, no dear, no dear, we won't stay here, sending away our friend in dismay. The rain came down like pebbles on the butterflies. A request. Then the butterflies saw a white lily. Good lily, it's raining heavily. Open your petals wide and take us in to hide, the butterflies begged. My favorite one, the white one, you can stay with me till it stops raining. But I can't let in here only the white one, said the white lily. No dear, I won't stay here sending away my friends in dismay. replied the white butterfly. True love. The butterflies were totally wet. It was very difficult to for them to fly. They looked at the sky. It was still cloudy. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. So he chased the clouds away. It stopped raining. The sun dried the butterflies' wings. The three butterflies were happy again. They danced in the garden among the flowers till evening. When night fell, they went to sleep.